everyone. Why am I saying it like that? Is that what I... Probably not. Okay. So my last video, you saw the haul video of what I bought. Right? Right. So now, we get to open. Okay, let me get these out. Excuse me. But we don't open this because this is like, ow, open edition. Why you hit me? Pocahontas. Pocahontas hit me. Rude. Okay. Making sure there's no ones. Just open editions. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna open. Okay, where do I start with? I don't know. Help me. I think I will start with Stitch, because he's someone that I don't collect, but he will be added to my traders. And out of this set, I think I want the Rocket Stitch or like that car Stitch one. That will be the ones that I would like to get, which is the bottom row. So we'll see. Alright. And I will know by the design of that. And I don't think I got it, fortunately. So this has to be the middle one on the bottom. So I think it's that one. The second one. 3, 2. And I was right. Okay. So we got that out of the way. So we're going to move you off to the side. And now we're going to open up the villains. So in my last video I said, since there's no Gaston in here, my other two favorites would be Jafar and Captain Hook. I don't know why I'm not a fan of the Louis. I don't know why. I should be. I wish there was like a female villain in Beauty and the Beast, but there isn't, unfortunately. Oh, this is a unique bag. Hello. Okay. Are you going to require scissors here? Is that what we're doing? Okay. Zoe. Chill. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this is Ursula. I could tell from the hair. So we got Ursula. Yep, I was right. See? I'm predicting. I'm psychic. Okay? So we got Ursula. So we're gonna move this right there. Let's do okay, where did you go? Oh. Let's do one of the cats. So there's only one pin that I really want from this set. So it doesn't matter because these will be traders no matter what. Alright, so I just want Marie. Alright, let's open her up. And I don't think this is Marie. Feels like a different pin. So. Or I could be wrong too. Okay, let's see who this is. Oh, this would be Cheshire. No. I don't know who this is. I don't know the name of it. So, please let me know who this cat is. Not person. So we're gonna do the dogs. So I just need, do I have Tramp? I don't think I do. I think I just have Lady. What do I have now? What the heck? Okay. Or do I have Tramp? I'm gonna have to look at my collection now. Let's see if I could tell from the size. Okay. Oh, this is Georgette. This is a double for me. So she's a double. I already got her, so I don't need another her. Okay, you. Why don't you just go over there and hang out? Maybe join the villain cast or something. Okay, let's do this villain. For this one, Jafar or Scar from Lion King would be the ones I would like. Because I do like the Lion King, but I don't know if I'm a fan of Scar. I might have some trust issues with Scar. Because, you know, he likes to leave scars around us, you know. Okay, let's see. Oh, I know this. We got Maleficent. I know from the horns here. So we got her. She's an okay pen. I don't think I'm gonna collect this set. Maybe just Jafar, Scar, maybe Cruella. Maybe. I do have a few Cruellas, but I don't want her to touch my dog. You know? I love my dog too much. So that will be an issue for another day. Okay. I don't own any of the hats. So I'm hearing talking in the background. So if you hear talking in the background, I do apologize. I don't have a place of my own yet, but eventually someday I will. So from the hats, I want Ariel, Belle, Mulan, and Jasmine. Okay. Let's see if I can tell from the hat. Okay. Alright, let's see. I'm just gonna go with Mulan on this. I'm just guessing. Oh, Jasmine. Jasmine, yay. That's awesome. Okay. That's cool. Let's do the Lion King here. Oh, I hit myself once again. Katie, you're amazing. In case you didn't know. You know? Okay. So, I need Simba and Nyla, Scar, and then I need Simba, Puma, and Timon. Yeah. And they come in pretty big. Okay. Oh. Okay. Maybe I could tell from 3, 2. I don't own this. Yes. One step closer to finishing the set. Yeah. That is so cool. Alright, awesome. Okay. We can check that, and that one off, I believe. I'm looking at my pens, so. Okay. 2 more from this side. Yes. Okay. And I know I don't own any of these, which is 100 Dalmatians. And these are really nice pens, really. Like, they should do these a little bit more often. Why am I struggling? It does not want me to open it, you know? And my voice is getting dry. Or my throat's getting dry. Hold on. Okay. Does it have the hangy thing with it? Really? Does it? That's what I'm wondering. I feel something. Okay. So this one... Oh, that part does too? What? Okay. So... this has to be the first row, but I don't know which one. So, 3, 2... and we got Pongo and Merida, right? Purida? I don't know. So we got this one. And then on the back it has this up here. I was not expecting that. That's cool. Okay. And now, no doubles. Okay. Please give me Belle, Beast, Cogsworth, or Mrs. Potts. No Lemire, no Chip. Okay. Oh no. I wish I could tell from the shape, but it's all the same shape. 3, 2. Mrs. Potts. We got Mrs. Potts. And these pens, they spin. So let me try to... Well, that's not a good idea to do that. Okay. We're gonna move you over here. Okay. What do I do now? Let's just do the cats. Come on, Marie. We want Marie. We want Marie. Alright. Give me Marie. If you don't give me her, I'm done with this video. Okay. Oh, this is a big one. Okay. Oh, this is Lucifer. Because I can tell from the shape. So, you're another traitor. You're a traitor. Yeah, you traded me for sure. Alright. There's something. Alright. Putting all my junk up here. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna do a hat. So, I could get doubles, or I could get a brand new pen. Belle, Mulan, Ariel, come on. Let's go. Okay, so this one is someone probably. I don't think I need this pen, but I think I still know. 3, 2. I was right. Okay. You're another traitor. You traded me. Okay. Disney dogs. And this video is pretty long too, so just enjoy it. Okay. Ow. Quit hurting me, you box. Ugh. I think I have Tramp. I want to say I do. Or maybe it's Jock who I have. I think I have Jock. That's who I'm thinking. Yeah, that's who I have. Okay. Trying to see if I'm over here. If this is Georgette. Uh-oh. This is 100 Dalmatian. I have this. So this is another trader. Alright. You guys get back up there. You belong where you belong over here. It's your hangout spot. Crying out loud. They can't even stay, can they? No. Okay. Let's bring these a little closer. I think I opened the Lion King after that. I think. Katie doesn't remember anymore. Katie's story. Because I really speak well, you know? Ow. Don't hurt me, pin. I'm gonna pin you out. Okay. Uh-oh. I think I have this. Please let this be Scar. I need this to be Squall. Scar. Because it's like almost the same shape as Scar. Oh, something is sticking out, kind of. Okay. Oh, no. Wait. Wait, is this? Oh, no. No! Not cool. That was not cool. Okay. That really disappointing. Let's do another dog here. No, let's do the cats first. And then we'll do the dog. And then we'll do the 100 Dalmatian, the hats, and then the princesses last. Okay. Okay, let's see. You're kidding me. Same one. That was disappointing. Come on, dogs. Give me Tramp. I think. Yeah, I need Tramp. I think. I don't even know what I need anymore. Oh, okay. Georgette. Tramp. Right? Yeah, Tramp. I need to double check on this one. I don't even remember. That was lovely. Okay. Oh wait. I think this is right. I'm just gonna stick with the dog thing right now. Maybe this will bring me some luck. Come on. Why be so dramatic? Okay, there we go. Yeah, yeah, that does not help. Okay. Well, that was the unique way to get that open. Get open. Okay. If this is a double, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh, it's not. Oh, okay. So we have one of the bottom ones. And it looks like Penny and Lucky. I'm just gonna guess. 3, 2. Oh, we got Lucky and Freckles. One of the ones I said that I would like to get. So cool. Okay. At least I got one. You know? Now we get to the bottom of these two. Okay. I'm just gonna do this to make the video go a little faster, even though this is over 20 minutes. I apologize for anyone who's kind of, well, this is a longer video. So let me get this one out. Come on, Belle, or Mulan, or Ariel. No Tiana, no Jasmine. We need Aurora, Belle, Ariel, and Mulan. Okay. Oh. Okay. I think I kind of know who this is. I'm just guessing. I think this might. Let me see my other one. Okay, this is a new one, so I think this is Belle. 3, 2. Or is this Snow White? It's either Belle or Snow. One of the two. Yes. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna have to look that up later to find out. I hate to open this, but I'm going to. Because I want to complete this set. And there's another set that I want to complete. And that is from Go Pen Pro, the Beauty and the Beast set. This needs to be Belle, Beast, or Cox. And I will be like this long video here of me opening these. So I will see you when I go broke again.